If you're looking for some true noise cancellation in your life, check out these headphones right here. These are the ProCase safety ear muffs. They come in a variety of different colors and styles. They're nice and compact, and then when you want to use them, you just pull them out, put them over your head, and put them over your ears. This is great if you're just needing some quiet time. Maybe you're sleeping or napping. Maybe you're studying or working and you just don't want to be distracted by other noises. Maybe you're at a shooting range and you want to be able to protect your ears, or maybe somewhere really loud like racing or traveling or like air shows or something like that. This is a great way to do that. It has a nice cushy padding to cup over your ears, and it should fit just about any ear size, and it has really soft material up here to feel nice on the top of your head. Now, like I said, different colors here and styles, and yeah, it actually pulls down and goes really big, so depending on your head, this will fit. And it works great. As soon as you put it on, it's like everything out. It's just no more noise. It's just you and your thoughts. And you can see how some of these styles are just a little bit different, how they kind of pull out and around your head, but it actually works. So it looks like it's small, and then you pull it down and it stretches out. This is great for kids. This is great for adults, and you could fit it to just about any head size. So it has professional sound insulation with noise reduction of 28 decibels. It has solid and durable construction and made of high strength material. So if you are looking to protect your ears or some quiet in your life, check these ones out from ProCase. They really do work. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.